Ho,
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 ho, ho, ho.
It's Christmas time.
Hey, all you Lulu fans, it's me, Lulu, and it's Filmtastic Friday. And look who's here, Janie, all the way from New York City. And we have...
Because I'm both naughty and nice. And you can be too if you do your Christmas shopping early at Lulu's.
Yeah.
How cool are these? They're Christmas photo booth props. Wouldn't this be more fun than that typical photo of you all with the golden retriever in the front yard wearing your matching Christmas sweaters? Yes.
And wait, look at my reindeer. It's a wall thing, you know? You hang it on the wall.
Not on your bosom.
No, you know, you get it, right?
Right.
Isn't it cute?
As long as it doesn't look like you ran over Rudolph on your way in.
That's right.
Now,
We love Rudolph.
the perfect souvenir for your trip to Beaufort is a Beaufort shrimp boat Christmas ornament. That way you can remember your wonderful times here all season long.
And how cute is this stocking? Look, it has a little 3D relief. I'm not sure what that is.
That's a reindeer.
It's a
Nan.
reindeer. It's a reindeer. And a Christmas tree.
Nan's going to use it again at Easter because she thinks this is a bunny rabbit. Yeah. I'm in the southern mood, y'all. Merry Christmas. What could be cuter than these adorable, made in the low country, locally made dish towels? Add a little, Christmas flavor to your seasonings this season.
Oh, yeah, and these, look, get in close, Kelsey, are blinking Christmas tree hats. You have to have one of these for around the tree.
It's a new way to be lit up at the holiday party. Finally, we've got fun South Carolina Christmas cards. The South Carolina 12 Days of Christmas and holiday greetings from South Carolina. Make those friends up north that you left behind feel very guilty that you'll probably be playing golf on Christmas afternoon.
That's right.
So that's it at Lulu's, but it's going to go fast. So fill up your red sack. Also available at Lulu's.
Hobo.
Ho, ho,
Ho.
ho, ho.
Bye-bye. Come soon. Christmas is not far away. Bye-bye.